With this new feature, users can now schedule an auto email to a single person or several people that lists all equipment due for calibration or maintenance. Unlike existing auto notification emails, the people these new emails are sent to do not need to have a defined relationship to the equipment, such as custodian, department managers, owner, or technician. These two auto emails, one for calibration and one for maintenance, are present as records in the auto notification grid with the event names of due cal all and due maint all. Note that since these new emails were added as records, any user comfortable with structured query language, or SQL, should be able to craft additional auto email notifications that more specifically meet their needs. Since both the due cal all and due maint all auto notification emails are virtually identical, let's look at just the due cal version for now. The fields in the Notification tab are completed just like any other auto notification email. Within the SQL tab, only the second field requires modification to identify the recipients of the email. To properly identify each recipient, two columns are required with the names of display name and email address. Any valid SQL statement that gives you these two columns with valid values should work. In this example, we're using a reference to the person table within calibration control. Therefore, the recipients must be present within the person table. Note that our where clause of our SQL statement is filtering for the person ID. You can copy this value from the ID field of the person table. Once we have our recipients identified, we can preview the results in the Table Previews tab. And by double-clicking on the record, we can see a list of equipment that will be included in the email. To see the actual email, click on the Send All Messages button at the bottom of the dialog.